Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to MedCode Insight. Hi, I am Nishaba, a certified medical coder. Today, the aim of this video is to equip you with the practical tips and strategies to confidently pass the CPC exam in 2025. We will cover key exam aspects, including study techniques, time management, and organizing your medical coding books. You will also learn effective strategies for tackling tricky questions and staying calm on exam day, ensuring you are fully prepared for success. In this video, we will cover essential tips and strategies to help you to pass the CPC exam with confidence. We will start by discussing the CPC exam basics, including how to study effectively and what to expect in terms of distribution of marks across various coding sections. You will also learn how to properly prepare your medical coding books and the steps to take before the exam to ensure you are fully prepared. We will dive into key exam strategies like the 2 minutes goal per question and how to narrow down your answer quickly and accurately. Lastly, we will provide important general exam day advice to keep you calm and focused during the test. Stay tuned to make sure that you are well equipped for success. The CPC exam is an open book exam designed to assess your medical coding knowledge and skills. You will have a total of 4 hours to answer 100 multiple choice questions, making time management a crucial factor for success. Since the exam is an open book exam, you can use your CPT, ICT, 10CM, and SCPCS Level 2 code books as references, but familiarity with these resources is essential to save time. To pass the exam, you must achieve a minimum score of 70%, meaning you need to answer at least 70 questions correctly. Balancing speed and accuracy is key as you will need to work efficiently to complete all questions within the time limit. To effectively prepare for the CPC exam, start by ensuring that you are using the most recent version of the CPT, ICD-10CM, and SCPCS level codebooks and stay updated on any changes to the coding guidelines. Avoid spending equal time on every part of the curriculum. Instead, identify your weakness and dedicate extra attention to those areas. Joining a study group can provide valuable support, resources, and insight from others preparing for the exam. Put your time and energy on understanding important concepts and tackling tricky coding scenarios, as mastering these will be crucial for success. When you have the time, multi hour study sessions can be highly effective, but only if you are fully present and alert. Consistency is key, so don't let long periods pass between study sessions. Shorter, frequent sessions, such as 15 minutes review throughout the day, can help reinforce your learning. In the CPC exam, the total marks are distributed across various categories out of 100%. The largest portion, 64%, is allotted to CPT, which is focuses on procedure coding. 5% of the marks are dedicated to ICD-10CM or diagnosis code, which are essential for the accurate diagnostic coding. 3% is assigned to HCPCS Level 2, covering healthcare procedures and supplies. Coding guidelines, which are crucial for understanding coding rules and principles, account for 7% of the marks. Case study designed to the test practical application and problem solving skills make up 10% of the exam. Compliance and regulatory topics ensuring adherence to the healthcare law and standards are allotted 3%. Additionally, 4% of the marks are dedicated to anatomy and another 4% to medical terminology, both of which are foundation for accurate coding and understanding medical documentation. To master modifier for the CBC exam, it is essential to know why each modifier is used and when it should be added to a code. Start by thoroughly reviewing the guidelines and instruction for modifier usage providing in the CPT and SCPCS Level 2 code books. Pay close attention to modified definition, description, and applicable rules to ensure accurate application. Familiarize yourself with the common modifiers used in the medical coding. Finally, practice applying modifier to the real world coding scenarios and case studies to reinforce your understanding of how and when to use them in different contexts. Understanding medical terminology is a critical skill for success in medical coding as it enables to accurately assign codes to the description of medical condition, procedure, or diagnosis to match terms in documentation to their corresponding codes accurately. With a strong grasp of medical terms, you can navigate through code books more efficiently, saving time during the coding process. Additionally, it allows you to analyze documentation effectively, ensuring you identify all relevant codes and apply coding guidelines correctly. The knowledge helps you to select the most appropriate codes for each scenario, improving accuracy and compliance. By mastering medical terminology, you will enhance your ability to interpret medical records and perform coding tasks with confidence. Understanding human anatomy is essential for accurate medical coding as it enables you to correctly identify body parts, organs, and systems involved in medical procedure and diagnosis. This knowledge helps you to differentiate between similar conditions and assign the correct codes, ensuring precision in your work. To build this skill, practice identify anatomical structure in the medical images and diagrams provided in the resources like ICD-10 and SCPCS Level 2. Start with foundational anatomy concepts such as anatomical terminology, body plans, and directional terms to establish a strong base. Additionally, familiarize yourself with the organization of the human body and its major systems such as cardiovascular system, respiratory, and musculoskeletal system. Understanding the letter ranges from ICD-10 codes and the number ranges from CPT code is a critical skill for efficient medical coding. By knowing these ranges, you can eliminate irrelevant codes from consideration, which streamlines the coding process. This knowledge allows you to quickly focus your search within a specific section of the codebook, saving time and effort. Narrowing your focus to the relevant code range increases the likelihood of finding the correct code within the allotted time, which is especially important in time sensitive situations. Additionally, it reduces the risk of selecting an inaccurate code due to overlooking relevant option, ensuring greater accuracy in coding. Ultimately, mastering these ranges instill confidence in your ability to navigate the codebook effectively and find the right code. Familiarizing yourself with the language used in the CPT codebook is essential for effective medical coding. This understanding helps you to grasp the nature of the medical condition or procedure being described, which is crucial for accurate coding. By becoming comfortable with the terminology, you can interpret the instruction in the codebook correctly, ensuring that you follow the guidelines as intended. This familiarity also enables you to quickly identify relevant code within the codebook, saving time and improving efficiency. Ultimately, a strong command of the language allows you to apply coding guidelines accurately, reducing error and enhancing the quality of your work. A thorough understanding of the medical coding guidelines is fundamental to accurate and efficient medical coding. It is important to regularly review the guidelines for each code set as they provide the foundation for proper code application. Rather than focusing on memorization, emphasizes understanding the guidelines as this will allow you to apply them more effectively in various scenarios. Proficiency in following sequencing rule is crucial to ensure codes are ordered correctly, which is essential for accurate billing and reporting. Familiarize yourself with the location of specific guidelines within the codebook to navigate them quickly and efficiently. Additionally, understanding the content covered in chapter-wide guidelines ensures you can apply the correct code for different medical conditions or procedures. Always remember to review coding convention, rotation, exclude notes in ICT 10CM, and parenthetical notes in CPD, as these provide important context and instruction that can significantly impact course selection. Developing strong time management skill is crucial for success in medical coding exam and professional practice. Breaking down the exam into manageable sections and allocating time accordingly helps ensure that you can address all parts of the exam without feeling rushed. Practicing answering questions within the time constraint of the exam improves your speed and efficiency, allowing you to work more effectively under pressure. Prioritizing high value tasks first maximize your productivity by ensuring that you focus on the most important or challenging areas early on. After completing practice exam, reviewing your performance is essential. Identify area of improvement and adjust your study strategies to address weaknesses. Stay disciplined and adhering to your study schedule is the key to maintain consistent progress. Avoid distraction and staying focused on your study goals allows you to make the most of your study time, ensuring that you are well prepared and confident when it is time to take the exam. Enhancing your elimination technique is a valuable strategy for improving accuracy and efficiency in medical coding. Start by familiarizing yourself with the coding guidelines and convention for CPT, ICD, TENSIUM, and SCPCS level 2 coding, as this foundational knowledge will help you to make informed decisions. Pay close attention to keywords, modifier, and other relevant details in the question, as these often provide clues to provide you code selection. The more you practice, the better you will become at quickly identify and eliminating incorrect choices, streamlining the process of finding the correct answer. Avoid rushing through questions. Instead, take the time to carefully evaluate each answer choice before making your selection. This deliberate approach reduces the likelihood of errors and ensures that you choose the correct, accurate code. By refining your elimination technique, you can boost your confidence and performance in coding exam and real world scenarios. Practicing for the CPC exam is essential to build confidence, improve accuracy, and develop the skill needed to succeed. Approach practice exam with seriousness by dedicating focused study time, adhering to the same time limits as the actual exam, and carefully reviewing incorrect answer. Use these review to identify areas where you struggled, then retest to reinforce your understanding and improve performance. Sharpen your time management skill through continuous practice, as the CPC exam requires you to answer quickly. Aim to spend approximately 2.4 minutes or less per question to stay within the 4-hour limit. Regular practice will help you to enhance your speed and efficiency. Additionally, refine your test taking ability by applying strategies like eliminating unlikely answers, which improves both accuracy and time management. Focus on identifying incorrect options and selecting the most promised ones. Prioritize accuracy during practice and continue working until you constantly achieve a minimum score of 80%. This disciplined approach will prepare you to tackle the CPC exam with confidence and precision. Preparing your medical code books is a critical step for success on the CPC exam, which is an open book. Your CPT, ICD, TENSIUM, and SCPCS level code books will serve you as primary resources during the test, as it is essential to make them as organized and accessible as possible. Familiarity with your books is the key to saving time and improving efficiency during the exam. Start by using tabs to mark important sections like guidelines, chapter, and tabular list, which will help you to quickly locate information. Practice navigating your books to find codes, guidelines, table, instruction efficiently, as this will build your confidence and speed. Focus on understanding the structure and layout of your books to streamline your search process. When highlighting, be selective and highlight only the most useful information to avoid clutter and ensure clarity. Avoid overloading your book with too many notes or highlights, as this can make it harder to find important details. Additionally, refrain from adding extra writing surface such as sticky notes or taped in pages, as these are prohibited. By preparing your book thoughtfully and strategically, you will be well equipped to navigate them effectively during the exam, maximizing your efficiency and accuracy. Preparing for the CPC exam requires careful planning and attention to detail to ensure that you are ready for the big day. Remember that to pass the CPC exam, you need to achieve a 70% accuracy rate on 100 questions, meaning perfection is not necessary and there is some flexibility for minor error. Start by thoroughly reviewing the email exam instruction and rereading the guidelines provided to you, as these will outline important detail about the exam format and rules. Additionally, watch a APC exam tutorial to familiarize yourself with the technical requirement, permitted material, and how to navigate the electronic exam interface. If you are taking a live remote proctored exam, prepare your examination space in advance by setting up your equipment according to LRP guidance and ensuring your environment is free from distraction. By taking these steps, you will create a solid foundation for a smooth and focused exam experience. Before the CPC exam, it is important to set a clear time management strategy to ensure you that you can complete all 100 questions within the 4-hour limit. Many coding students express concern about time, but with proper planning, it is manageable. You have approximately 2 minutes and 40 seconds per question, so aiming to spend no more than 2 minutes on each question will help you to stay on track. If you maintain this pace and avoid getting stuck on difficult questions, you will have enough time to answer all questions without feeling rushed at the end. The electronic exam allows you to navigate between sections, so start with the sections you feel most confident in to build momentum. Keep a close eye on the clock using a built-in timer in the exam interface. If you have bought a non-smart wristwatch or stopwatch, set it to vibrate at 2 minutes interval to help you monitor your pace and remind you to move on if you have exceeded the 2 minutes mark. This approach will help you to stay focused, manage your time effectively, and maximize your chances of success on exam. When tackling questions on the CPC exam, having a clear strategy can help you to manage your time and maximize your score. Start with the easy anatomy question, as these are typically quick to answer but count just as much towards your score. Completing these first gives you the more time to focus on tougher questions later without feeling rushed. Before diving into the long operative report, read the question first. This can help you to spot key details such as discrepancies in the date of service and save valuable time. Pay close attention to code notes, as they often define terms, clarify information, or list additional characters, which can prevent error when looking up codes. Avoid second guessing yourself. Trust your first educated answer to prevent overthinking and wasting time. If you encounter a tough question, take your best guess using logical deduction, flag it, and move on. You can always return to it later if time permits. Finally, never leave a question unanswered. While a blank answer is defining wrong, a guess might be correct. Save guessing for the last 15 to 20 minutes of the exam if needed. These strategies will help you to stay focused, efficient, and confident throughout the test. Narrowing down your answer on the CPC exam is a critical skill to save time and improve accuracy. Since you won't have time to look up every code in all four multiple choice answer, use strategic approach to eliminate as many options as possible. Start by reading the question first, then scan the case for the keywords, that can help you to rule out incorrect answer. Check the first character of the code. For example, if the question relates to the musculoskeletal system, eliminate CPT codes that do not start with the numeral 2. Pay attention of sequencing. If the secondary code is incorrectly listed as the primary code, eliminate that answer. Use exclude notes, exceptions, or modify to further narrow down choices, as these often highlight inappropriate options. Additionally, read the notes under the codes as they frequently provide detail that can help you to eliminate incorrect answers. If you eliminate two options, you are halfway to the correct choice and only need to verify the remaining two. With any leftover time, review every question to ensure all are answered and revisit your best guesses to refine your answer if possible. If a code appears in two answer choices, go directly to date code to verify it accurately based on the operative note, which can help you to eliminate two answers at times. This systematic approach will help you work efficiently and increases your chances of selecting the correct code. On the day of your CPC exam, following some general advice can help you to stay calm, focused, and prepared. Start by getting a good night rest, as most exams perform better after a restful night's sleep. Avoid staying up all night studying, as this can be counterproductive and leave you feeling fatigued. Eat a healthy, light breakfast to fuel your brain and bring water to stay hydrated and energized during the exam. Dress in layer to accommodate any fluctuation in room temperature, ensuring you remain comfortable throughout the test. If you are taking the exam at the testing center, plan to arrive early to count for potential delay like traffic, construction, or bad weather, and aim to be there 10 to 15 minutes ahead of the schedule. Finally, maintain a positive mindset. Take deep breath and repeat calming mantras like I can do this or I have got this to ease every nerve and boost your confidence. These simple steps will help you approach the exam with clarity and composure. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or need further clarification, please feel free to write in the comment section. For more detailed guidelines, CPC mock exam related questions and notes, email me at the giving email ID.